It's amazing to know that so many crypto holders, especially Terra Classic holders, still believe on $100 price for Terra Classic. There are so many polls this week, even that Terra Classic was rising recently, and also the project and even Binance coming out to announce that they will keep on supporting Terra Classic. A lot of people have been talking about Terra Classic once again hitting $100 price, but there are only two ways that can happen. Not that it cannot happen. Luna in the future can still hit $200. There is no coin you will say that cannot hit this amount of money. It depends on the supply. It depends on the market cap. That is the truth. These two things work hand to hand. It's very important. So even Shiba Inu that you see today is trading with about 4.0. Shiba Inu can still tomorrow hit $10. Although we believe that 1 cent is even going to be much difficult, but the coin can still hit $10. So there is no coin out there that cannot hit. People don't. There's some coins. Many coins have created millionaires that we don't even know. So Terra Classic to $100. I know right now we are going to say it's impossible, but what about the Luna bonds over 5.7 trillion coins? Let's assume Terra Classic is here, that Terra Classic is having just 100 billion coin supply, or 50 billion coin supply, or even 10 billion coin supply. Then that is when we'll be talking about, yes, there's a possibility the coin will rise and even hit up to $100 in future. Okay, so it is possible, but I know how can they achieve this? That is the problem. And then market cap also have to play a better way. So the market cap is very important. So for me, when I saw this post, I don't want to counter it, but the only thing I can say is that it is the possibility for that to happen is just 1%. But the possibility for that to happen is 0.1%. For $100, please note, for Terra Classic to reach $100, the possibility is just 0.1%. Or let me just at most 1%. Okay, so what about the possibility for 1 cent? The possibility for 1 cent is about 75% to 80%, while the possibility for 10 cents is about 60%. Possibility for 50 cents is about 40%, and the possibility for $1 Terra Classic to $1 is about 28%. That is the truth. The information about $100, I don't want to say. So, but I still believe the most important thing right now is for us to make profit. It's not for us to calculate the price that let it reach $100, $50, $10. No. The most important thing in every investment you are doing, please note this. Just target 50% to 100%. It depends on how long. It depends on how long you want to wait, how long you want to trade. But always just make sure that you're on profit, no matter how small the profit might be or the gain might be. Please remember, this is not a financial advice. Once again, thank you for stopping by.